So in this video, we want to determine the semi-interquartile range for the marks of a certain number of students in a class, and the marks are given by this set of numbers. Now, for us to determine semi-interquartile range, we need to remember that semi-interquartile range is given by Q3 minus Q1 over 2. It's just like saying semi-interquartile range is interquartile range divided by 2. So the first thing we need to do is to ensure that the number are arranged in ascending order of magnitude. And like I said earlier on, these numbers are not arranged in ascending order of magnitude. So the first thing we need to do is to first arrange it from the smallest to the biggest number. So let's arrange. So we have the smallest number here is 5. So if we arrange it, we are going to be having 5, we have 6, we have 7, we have 8, we have another 8, we have 9, then we have 12, we have 15, we have 17, we have 21, we have 28. So what's the total number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now, if you remember what I said in the previous video, for us to get interquartile range, we need Q3 and Q1. But we cannot get Q3 and Q1 for an ungrouped data like this without first getting Q2. So we need to get the cutoff point for the median. So since n in this case is equal to what? So let me put it here. N is equal to 11, which is what? Odd. So this one does not require taking the arithmetic mean of the middle item. So we just take the median. So if it is 11, that will be 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 to the 5 to the right. So in this case, this is our Q2. Like I said, we are not looking for Q2. But we use Q2 to determine our cutoff point. So this is the cutoff point that splits the data. So like I said, the upper half of the data, the median of the upper half of the data will give us the Q1. So if you look at this is the upper half of the data, this is the lower half. So the median of the upper half will be 7. If you take 2 to this side, you take another 2 to this side. So in that case, our Q1 here is 7. Then for this other set of data, the median is the Q3 is the median of the of the lower half of the data. This other half anyway. So the median in this case, basically, if you pick this and you pick this, so this is our Q3, which is 17. All right. So we have been able to get our Q1 and Q3. Like I said, we can't get both without knowing Q2. So we can therefore say that our interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1. So what is our Q3? That is 17 minus Q1. That is 7. That is 10. Right? So that is that. And we are required to find the semi-interquartile range. So we can say that semi-interquartile range will now be Q3 minus Q1 over 2. That will give us that is the interquartile range divided by 2. That's 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. So this is the semi-interquartile range for that particular data. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and endeavor to comment as well so as to know if we are doing well or not. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.